Hello students, let's start the new chapter of the social studies book that is given on page number 72, chapter number 13, Mumbai, the capital of India, okay, the commercial capital of India. So, first of all, let's understand the commercial capital of India. What does it mean? It means that it connects with buying and selling of goods, okay, and services. It connects buying and selling of goods and services. Commercial means basically it is the business city, you can say, Mumbai. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So capital of Mumbai is Maharashtra. It was known as Bombay until 1995. So now अभी हम इसे मुंबई कहते हैं, but earlier it was known as Bombay. Mumbai lies on the west coast of India and faces the Arabian Sea. So where does it lie? It lies on the west coast of India. And a little bit it faces the Arabian Sea. It is the most populous city in India and the sixth most populous city in the world. It means that it is the most populous, means the population of this city is that much that it is the sixth most populous city in the world. Mumbai is also the commercial capital of India, as I have told you, commercial, जिसे हम हिंदी में व्यवसायिक बोलते हैं, and it means the selling and purchasing, that is the export imports of goods and services are been carried over this. The important offices of the Maharashtra government and the residences of the governor, chief minister and other ministers are in Mumbai. So the houses you can say, or the residence, that is the places, and some some of the chief ministers' houses and the governors' houses are also located in Mumbai. 7 islands constitute the city of Mumbai. So 7 islands constitute the city of Mumbai. It was developed into a city after the invasion of the Portuguese, that is after the attack by the Portuguese. It was developed. Mumbai got its name from the local goddess Mumba Devi. Okay, so Mumbai got its name from the local goddess Mumba Devi. So the god's name is, that is Mumba Devi, and from there the title or Mumbai was given with this name, that is Mumba Devi. Now here 7 islands, that is the 7 islands that are like side of Mumbai, that is Bombay, Kolaba, Old Women's Island, then Mahim, then Majgaon, then Parel, then these are the 7 islands, and it constitutes the city of Mumbai. So it is surrounded by these 7 islands. Now, Mumbai Devi. This is in the Bhubaneswar area, that is in Mumbai. And what is the climate of Mumbai? Mumbai has a moderate climate, that is average climate. It is warm and humid, that is a high level of water vapor, you can say, that is called consists the humidity in summer, and moderately cold in winter. That is the weather there is average, neither it is very hot, neither it is very, nor it is very cold. So moderately cold in winter, like it is not like very chilling cold. Okay, the city normally receives rain from June to September, and the rainy season, you can say, it receives rain. वहाँ बारिश कब होती है? In the month of June to September. Now the spirit of Mumbaikars, as in the earlier chapter you have learned that the people of Delhi, they are called Delhites, right? Similarly, the people who live in Mumbai, they are called the Mumbaikars. So the spirit of that is the, you can say, जो जोश है, जो मुंबई में जो लोग रहते हैं उनके बारे में बताया गया है यहाँ. The people of Mumbai are called Mumbaikars, as I have told you. The people जो लोग वहाँ पे रहते city, that is the big or the richest city. Okay, here it is a term is given cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. You have to underline this word also. So the people from different, you can say, countries, they are called cosmopolitans, or different countries, that is they will different cultures all together, or when it is clubbed together, it is called the cosmopolitan, means the mixture of culture. You want the Sanskriti here, that is the mixture, because people from different states, cities, all go there for their business, for their future, for their work. So it follows a cosmopolitan culture. People from different regions, beliefs and cultures coexist in Mumbai. जैसे मैंने बताया कि अलग अलग देश से, अलग अलग स्टेट से, अलग अलग सिटी से लोग वहाँ पे जाते हैं, किस लिए? टू परस्यू एजुकेशन, पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं, टू कंटिन्यू देयर बिजनेस, टू वर्क देयर. सो Marathi, Hindi and Konkani are the major languages spoken here. So Konkani is the language, Hindi and Marathi. These are the basic three languages that people spoke there. Bhelpuri, Pani Puri, Pav Bhaji and Vada Pav are the favorite food items in Mumbai. So the favorite food items that you can get in the city of Mumbai are the Bhelpuri, Pani Puri, Vada Pav. These are the famous food items in Mumbai. Like in your place, that is Uttar Pradesh, you can get the litti chokas and all. Similarly, these are the name of the different food items that you can avail in Mumbai. Though all major festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas and Eid are celebrated here, Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival in the city. So, though all major festivals like Diwali हो गया, Eid हो गया, Holi हो गया, Christmas हो गया, ये all over the world or in different states of our country also is been celebrated, right? So, गणेश चतुर्थी, लेकिन उसमें जो सबसे फेमस जो उनका फेस्टिवल होता है, जो पॉपुलर फेस्टिवल होता है, वो गणेश चतुर्थी होता है. So, they worship Lord Ganesha on that day. So Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival of the Mumbaikars. Now, commercial capital. Why Mumbai is known as the commercial capital? Okay, Mumbai is the richest city in India. So Mumbai is one of the richest city in India. It is known for its industries. There are many textile industries, many factories, different industries, big industries, small scale industries, large scale industries, you can find them. Textiles and petrochemicals. Petrochemicals means the refined petroleum, okay, or the gas you can say. So petrochemicals here is given, that is refined petrol. जो petrol है उसको हम petrochemicals कहते हैं. And are the major industries here. So the industries are like textiles. Textiles मतलब कि जो कपड़े बनते हैं. So textiles and petrochemicals, petroleum, gas, they are the major industries found in. It has a large port in India. Port जिसे हम harbor कहते हैं या बंदरगाह कहते हैं हिंदी. So and oil field named Bombay High is 160 kilometers off the coast of Mumbai. Petroleum is extracted from the seabed here. Seabed means जो समुद्री तल है वहाँ से ये oils निकलते हैं. Which are the oils? That are the petroleum is extracted. मतलब कि वहाँ से निकाला जाता है समुद्र के तल से. And that is the ground under the sea. So the famous oil field named Bombay High, that is the place, that is the Bombay High in Mumbai. Petroleum is extracted there. Mumbai's film industry is called Bollywood. You know that Mumbai is famous for its Bollywood. It is considered the Hollywood of India. It is considered the Hollywood because the cinemas, famous the actors, actresses, all they work there in the Bollywood. That is the cinemas that you see on the televisions that is being carried in Mumbai. So Mumbai is known as the film city also, film city of India. So it is considered the Hollywood of India. जैसे बॉलीवुड है बाहर के countries में हॉलीवुड कहते हैं. So similar. So it is like the Hollywood of India. Most of the Hindi films are shoot here. So हिंदी फिल्म्स जो है उनकी शूटिंग जो है मुंबई में होती है, that you know. So the first railway services in India was between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. So you must remember this, that the first railway service जो रेलवे की शुरुआत हुई थी वो मुंबई से ही हुई थी, and that was between Mumbai and Thane, and it was in 1853. Most people here depend on local trains for transport. जो वहाँ के लोग हैं वो अपने ऑफिस या किसी काम के लिए बाहर जाना या अदर आसपास के सिटीज में ट्रैवल करना वो रेलवे ही प्रेफर करते हैं, दैट इज द लोकल ट्रेन्स देयर. सो मोस्ट पीपल हियर डिपेंड ऑन लोकल ट्रेन्स. द फेमस छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस इज मुंबई इज वन ऑफ द busiest railway station in India. So the name of the railway station in Mumbai, that is the famous Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Mumbai. So it is the busiest because many peoples, crowd of peoples travel from one place to another place. That is the means of transportation as the railway. That is the local trains. So Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, earlier known as Sahar Airport in Mumbai, is the busiest airport in India. और सबसे busiest airport जो है वो है छत्रपति शिवाजी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. People travel from one country to other countries, one state to other states, or like tourist visitors also visit there in Mumbai. And many important electrical institutions like Bhabha Automatic Research Center, BARC जिसे कहते हैं BARC. This is the full form of BARC, that is Bhabha Automatic Research Center, IIT Bombay, and the Tata Institute of Social Science are situated in Mumbai. So in the next class we will learn about the places of importance in Mumbai. So thank you students.